This quick tutorial will show you how to remove the password set on your PC or desktop computer. Watch through to the end of this video to get all the steps right. Subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. Before you think of removing the password from your PC or desktop computer, make sure that the environment you are in is safe so that you do not lose any valuable information to thieves. Now, to remove the password from your PC or desktop computer, open the settings application. The settings application is opened. Look for accounts amongst the options at the left side of the settings application. Under the accounts section of the settings application, click on sign in options to open that page. Over here, you can see the various ways by which you can sign into your PC or desktop computer. But assuming you already have a password set and you would want to remove it, just hit the password option to open the drop down menu. You will see this message that says you are all set up and a button by it saying change. If you do not have a password set, you will see an add button instead of a change button. But since you have a password set, just click on the change button. Clicking on the change button would open this prompt where you would be asked to input your current password. So just input the already existing password you have and click on next. Clicking on next will open another page where you will be asked to input a new password, but we just want to remove the existing one without inputting a new one. So just leave everything blank and click on next. Clicking on next again will take you to another page. In this page, there is nothing much to be done, so just click on finish. Now, under the password drop down menu where we had the text you are all set up, you can see it has been changed to use a password to sign into Windows, apps and services. Also, the button which read change has now been changed to add, meaning you have successfully removed the password from your PC or desktop computer. So when you restart your computer, you wouldn't be asked to input any password to sign you into your PC. If you have watched the video to this point and enjoyed it, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to change or remove the background of an image for free, I will leave that video on the end screen so that you can check it out. See you next time. Peace out.